Hello, welcome to your Sweepstakes video demo. With this application, visitors can register to the promotion, they like your page, share with their friends, and at the end, list of registrants can be downloaded and you can draw the winners. To get to the application, simply click on the app icon. The page admin can anytime change and rename this icon. The main page is the basic presentation and operation area of the application. To fully customize the application, the administrator can upload an 810 x 140 pixel header image and a 480 x 320 pixel main page image. The functions of the application can be reached from the menu or by clicking on the large size buttons next to the image. The most important information related to the prizes and the contest rules can be presented in text boxes below the picture. The mandatory detailed rules, contest rules, privacy policy can be reached from the menu. The timing of the sweepstake is indicated in the box next to the main page image. In the About, menu information can be presented about the organizer of the promotion. Clicking on the Enter Sweepstakes tab, you get to the registration page. Here you can fill in the data necessary to the registration. The number and the type of the fields of the registration form can be defined by the admin of the promotion. After submitting the registration data, the player automatically set to the Invite Friends page. If a player shares the promotion on his/her wall and someone enters the promotion as a result of this share, the player receives bonus, more winning chances, in the sweepstakes. This unique feature creates enormous viral effect and increases the reach of your promotion. The page offers two types of sharing. You can share the promotion with friends on Facebook, or you can send a link to your friends. The bonus means that the name of the player is repeated as many times in the list of registrants as many winning chances are acquired. Dashboard is a special tab which is available only for the admin of the page. This page is the interface where the admin can perform the administrative functions of the sweepstakes. There is a drop-down menu next to the name of the registrants. Find the name of the winners should be drawn separately in advance, and set the appropriate price for the drop-down menu to each winner. Press the Save button and thus the winner's name with the appropriate prizes will be displayed in the results page. At the end of the sweepstakes, the results are presented on the results page. At the time of the announcement of the winners, the list of winners and the associated prizes are displayed on the page as set by the administrator previously on the dashboard. Let's go now to the admin page and let's see how you can create a sweepstakes campaign quickly and simply without any programmer's assistance. To start, click first on Admin Settings button just below the footer of the application and you get to the admin interface of the application. Please note, Admin Settings key is only shown to the admin of the page. The admin interface is divided into two main sections. The first one is the control panel, where you can select the functions to be set up on the configuration panel. Here you can return to the Facebook page, select the language of the application with the flags and the preview function to check the settings. Important! Independently of the selected language, it is possible to upload content in another language when configuring or uploading the application. You can also replace the labels of the application with their translations to any other language at the Custom Labels section of the admin interface. Click on the Campaign Settings button and on the control panel perform the settings following the numbers. Under the basic settings, you can set the general parameters of the campaign. While completing the fields, you can get help if you move the mouse pointer over the yellow circles. The name of the campaign is shown on the main page of the application. Next, we can set the timing of the campaign phases. The application is active till the end of the campaign, so the winners are seen on the results page till this time. The charge for the application depends on the duration of the campaign. Therefore, the price calculated based on the date set hereby is shown in a row of a control panel at the top of the page. The promotion must have a contest rule, which can be attached to the campaign in two ways. The options are uploading the file or copying it into the text box. Since in the sweepstakes personal data of the users are recorded, you also need a privacy policy, Like to the contest rules, this policy can be uploaded or copied into the text box. In the main menu, under the point About Us, you can present some short information on the organizer of the contest. You can give this information in the available text box. The next fields are optional. The SEO title and the SEO description facilitate that the internet search engines find easily your promotion. Using these fields is not mandatory, but they can be useful. Should you have a Google Analytics account identifier, you are advised to put it here. If not, apply for one. Using this ID is not mandatory either, but it can also be useful. In the next point of the admin interface, you can upload the header image and the main page image. The size of the header picture is an 810 x 140 pixels. The main page image is of 480 x 320 pixel size. Here you can also specify a link to be attached to the header picture. The next fields can be used to name and describe the prizes of the sweepstakes. The information given in these fields appear on the main page below the picture. The prize name and description will also be presented at the end of the campaign on the results page next to the winner's name. The maximum number of the prizes in the sweepstakes is 10, but the same prize can be assigned to more contestants. The short version of the rules are to be presented on the main page below the image. However, this summary can never replace the detailed rules, which can be uploaded at the Basic Settings section. After submitting the registration form, the application automatically offers visitors the content to share. You can pre-fill the shared text in separate text boxes. On the registration page, you can specify what sort of data of the applicants are requested to give in order to take part in the sweepstakes. With the Add Field function, you can set the type of the field, what the label is, and if the new field is mandatory or not. At the end of the sweepstakes, the data collected here are available for the administrator. If you check the newsletter checkbox, this option also appears among the registration data. Our FanGate feature entices new viewers to like your page before they can interact with your apps. This can drive up your fan count, giving you a larger audience to engage with in the future. You can also set if someone takes back like during the promotion, he/she can remain in the sweepstakes or not. The custom labels section contains those texts that are presented on the public areas of the application. You can edit these texts. You can translate them to any other language. This way, you can operate your application in your own language, which may not be among the offered languages of Yap. With this option, you can use the application virtually in any language environment. To reset the original content of a particular field, you have to delete your text in the field, then save and refresh the page. To publish a setup campaign is only possible if the service fee has been paid. First, you have to check the billing data, then select the payment method. Once your payment is successful, clicking on the Publish button, you can publish your campaign anytime. To pay with bank card, select the PayPal option. Now let's see what other functions can also be found on the admin interface. In the Statistics menu, you will see how many people have been registered to date, and from there you can download the list of registrants at the end of the campaign in Excel format. On the My Account tab, you can check or modify your registration data. Clicking on the Support tab, you get to your online helpdesk service. Here you can find detailed numerous information material. You can also ask questions that will be answered as short as possible. With this, the configuration of the application is done. To get back to your Facebook page from the admin page, click on the Back to the Page link. Thank you for your attention. Contact us and get familiar with the whole Yap service family.